Hello viewers, I am Adesh, student in KCS Kasnara College of Arts and Science, studying BCom second year A section. Today we are all going to see one familiar topic in company law subject, that is meeting and its types. We are all very much familiar about the word meeting. The term meeting means a group of people assembled in a place and discussed about something. In point of company, the meeting is one of the important event because all the important decisions are taken in meetings. So the company act framed many meetings. The kinds of meetings is classified under three types, that is meeting of shareholders, meeting of directors and special meeting. Under meeting of shareholders, we have three meetings, that is statutory meeting, annual general meeting and extraordinary general meeting. And next type is meeting of directors. Under we have board meeting and committee meetings. The next type is special meeting. Under we have class meeting and creditors and debentures holder meetings. Okay, meeting of shareholders. Under this, first one is statutory meeting. The statutory meeting is the first meeting for the shareholders. Between 1 to 6 months, the statutory meeting must be held. This meeting was held only once in the lifetime of a company. Before 21 days, the company sent notice for shareholders. In case of public limited company, the company should compulsory hold the meeting. In case of private limited company, it is not necessary. Next shareholder meeting is annual general meeting. All public company and private company should compulsory conduct the annual general meeting. The first annual general meeting should held after the company registered between 18 months. And it should be held once in every 15 months. In this meeting, the shareholder find out what is the profit earned in this year and what is the dividend for this year and discussed about appointment and removal of directors. Next statutory meeting is extraordinary general meeting. Any important decision want to taken by a company means the company should not wait until annual general meeting. Immediately the company should conduct extraordinary general meeting. It is also known as general meeting. Next meeting is meeting of directors. The company lies in the hands of board of directors. They should meet frequently for proper conduct of business and to decide policy matters. Under the meetings of directors, first meeting is board meeting. The board meeting is conducted within 30 days from the date of incorporation. Next one is committee meeting. In many sound companies, the director should not able to enter into all the policies. So that the company formed one committee who is specialist in that, they will be a member in that committee. In our college also many committees there like Eco Club Committee, NSS Volunteer Committee, Women Empowerment Committee, etc. In point of company, Audit Committee, Revenue Committee and more committees are there. The committee should meet at least 4 times in a year. Okay, we move on to a next meeting, that is special meeting. Under we have class meetings. The class meetings will held by particular class of people like shareholders, debentures holders, etc. The meeting will conduct on company reorganization, amalgamation or winding up time. Next meeting is meeting of creditors. Normally the creditor meeting was conducted in the time of winding up. This meeting is conducted for avoid any crisis between creditors to introduce any new proposals. Okay, I hope you all understand what is meetings, what are the types of meetings. Thank you for being patient and listening my video. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay positive. Have a great day.